Hello, Cherries viewers. Welcome back to Sunday Home Recipe. The Macabre Sunday Home Recipe. Sunday Dika wo share video a. Remember to subscribe. Now share. Now like. Now me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa wonsa beka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we sweat a Ghana Butter Bread. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Okra description box na. Ingredients ni na yede. Ewo ho. Yes, start. Who the 2 cup all-purpose flour ebegu bowl mu. 2 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon yeast. 1 teaspoon salt. Vanilla. 1 mixing that together. With the 100-gram butter egum. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Now the machine a mix it. So when the machine will be what the wonsa in a be needy. What the 1/2 cup warm water begum. But would begum little at a time na machine near there and needy. We are no doom na da to working surface so. Now I burn around. We are another 2 grease boom. Wakata so. No just sell for 1 to 2 hours. And sani atwa so. After 1 or 2 hours no. Now the to working surface so. But all the esambeye sons another to so. No one form shape no. When we need a to grease bread pie mu. Wakata so no just off for 1 hour and sani atwa so. After 1 hour, no baking 180 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, no ye feel wo bread pie ni mu. Now there are 2 cooling rags so. Amanajo. Ejuria no was serve. Yep, my trust in the kind I will share video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video bia beto wa wonsa beka. Now this is our Ghana butter bread. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.